Kennedy, do solemnly swear
I, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, do solemnly swear
that you will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of your ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
So help you God.
So help me God.
Hey guys, Skip here, and well, we got her finished. About the fastest build I think I've done yet. Really nice plane, went together real swell. I mean, all the pieces fit just perfect. I mean, wings just slid right in. There's like no gaps or anything on either side up next to the fuselage. It's almost seamless. Give you a quick look at her here and let you see what you think. Got the Admiral 4000s. I don't have any 4500s, but this is what it's also rated for. 4060 60C 6S the Pros. Pop them up in here. I've already checked my servos. I've already checked other things. I'm using my new radio. I'm kind of unfamiliar with it, so I'll be learning a little bit as I go here. Okay, we'll turn our radio on. Nice radio. I've only played, I haven't flown anything with it, but I've been kind of playing around with it a little bit. Oh. It talks to you, it tells you things. Okay, I guess we got this in there. And got our elevators. Back is up, down. Yeah, even the directions are right. So far we're looking pretty good. I see the flaps are going to have to be adjusted. I could probably do it with the radio, but I'll probably set it up manually first so that everything's centered, and then we'll play with the radio. Oh yeah, well it works. Ailerons, flaps. Should we check the gear? Check the gear on this bad boy. I think I could slow that down with this radio. So, in fact, if I know I can hit do some programming in here to make those go nice and slow. But they're pretty cool. Nice foam tires. They've got the shock absorption, which I really like. You can see the shock absorption on these guys is pretty good. I mean, yeah, back here too. Pretty beefy. One report that somebody said was that the retracts weren't glued in well enough. You know, it's a nice enough plane. I might just go ahead and take that extra effort and time and see how tight they are. And if they're not really all that tight, well then, you know, by all means, we'll put something in there that will be. And I still like to use the foam tack glue, even in applications like that where they call for epoxy. The foam tack doesn't crack. So I mean, if it takes an impact, where an epoxy, if it takes a hard impact, it will crack. The foam tack is still strong as it can be, but man, if you whap it with something, it just, I don't care, and it still holds. So I'm a big fan. I got a little deal up here, a little notch up here, but I didn't see anything in the kit, so I'm going to have to take a look and see if there's anything missing up there, or if that's just the way that is. It looks to me like there should be like an antenna or a little vein or something there, some kind of a fin, maybe. I'll have to go through the box again and see what we got, but in the meantime, guys, we've got the Freewing F-86 Sabre. Beautiful. Look at the gorgeous graphics on this thing, guys. I mean, they're absolutely fantastic. And honestly, putting this thing together, a build video just wasn't even necessary. honestly. I mean, when you see how fast the build video is, and I do have it in speed fashion, it's just incredible. So, well, you just did actually. Sorry. But anyway, just hear the sound of power. It's got a good push to it. I mean, it actually moves me. I don't think it'll go vertical. It's too heavy, but you know, if it's a 1-to-1 thrust ratio, which is supposed to be what it's got, you know, without the static thrust and it's flying, I bet this thing goes up vertical probably pretty good ways before it falls out. Anyway. That's cool. I'm going to have fun with that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to get this one at the field for sure. I think this is going to be an absolute gas. Have a good one. See you at the field, guys. Weather's getting nice. Hey guys, just taking a look here at the Jolly Roger, the Freewing F-86 80mm EDF jet here. It's looking pretty neat. Like it out in the daylight here. And let's take a quick look at it, and we're going to taxi it out. I haven't put any lights on it yet, but I did go ahead and order a set from Hobby King, so we'll probably do another taxi in the darker, or you know, in the evening with that, and you guys will get a better look at it. But that's all the way around on this one. Again, look at that pile out there. Yeah, I like that hose coming out there, man. It actually kind of looks real. Put some instrumentation and a few other things around in there. You got some real scale looking appearance. But they did a very nice job on this, guys. Let's taxi it out and see how she behaves. See if I can get this thing to sit down here straight. But yeah, everything works. Steering, rudder. The only thing I've got to do a little bit is work with the flaps here a little bit. I've got to set those in and do those manually. The gear works pretty good. I'll show you from a different angle here. And I'll be putting that on a different timer with the radio so that those gear go up and down a little bit slower. But let's taxi it out. Well, I've got some control surfaces reversed, like rudder. Yeah, I'm going to have to reverse that rudder. Either that or turn my radio upside down. But let's give it a shot anyway. Yeah, she's real touchy on the rudder right now. We're going to have to do a little work on the radio here and the expos. Kind of driving this backwards, guys. Left is right and right is left. It's kind of rough left-handed here. And I'm holding the controller with one hand. Anyway, thought you guys would get a kick out of that, and thank you for watching. If you get the urge to give me a thumbs up or possibly subscribe to my channel, it's free and it's most appreciated, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hope you have some happy flying and good weather coming up. Ours is starting to finally shape up. Take care, guys. Thanks.
Woo!